Let's go, Cuquín!
Present! Present!
Do you want to know what's inside?
Yeah! Oh.
Run! Come see it!
Present! Oh.
Here you have your gift. Open it. There are many surprises.
Oh, surprise! Oh.
Oh. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Oh, surprise eggs!
Go get them!
Not there.
Wow!
A red surprise egg! Open, open, open. Surprise, a car!
Yes, a car!
My little sports car Ole, he came to ask me Ole, if I would like to Ole, jump in and drive him Ole. And then I told him Ole, I will not drive him Ole, for I get dizzy Ole. Yes, I'm so dizzy Ole.
More, more! Come on!
I caught you! Take it, Cuquín.
Orange egg. Open, open, open. Surprise, a bus! Good bus.
The wheels of the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels of the bus go round and round, all through the town.
More, more, more. A green surprise egg. Open, open, open. Surprise! A rocket!
Yes, a rocket!
I like to reach the shining moon way after high. Oh, so way up high. Oh, so way up high.
Rocket, rocket, rocket.